Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, you can see the EMA is your bullish signal. So EMA slope is turning upwards. This is your bullish trend, okay, in weekly time frame. So when you can see last time this happened, bullish breakout here in October 2024, and now in September, okay. And since then here you see last time the EMA was turning up as well in weekly, and even this time it's turning up. So right now we are in the uptrend in USD CAD, and you can see these are lower highs or higher highs, lower lows. Okay, so this is your kind of head and shoulder, I guess, whatever you call it. So this was your double something, maybe or maybe not, who cares. Okay, but this is your uptrend, clear higher highs. Okay, this I had been telling you in last 4 or 5 videos in USD CAD that we have to wait for the rejection from the EMA, then only we go long. But if you want to counter trade in USD CAD, I think price is exhausted now, right now, because last week was all about going up. Okay, so USD CAD last 5 days kept going up. So I think the price is exhausted now and it's time for a pullback. Now I will not enter short until I see another red candle in daily time frame. Okay, so this candle doesn't mean anything to me, because even here we had a red candle and the price did not come down. Okay, so I will have to wait to see one more bearish candle in daily time frame, and then only I'll go and take a counter trade of short. Okay, I do believe price is exhausted here. This is your new high for last few maybe couple of months. Okay, so coming back to 4 hour here, quite simple. Wait for the pullback. So wait for the pullback until the EMA, then you go engulfing blue candle, and then you go long only. Okay, so no way you are going to enter until the price comes and rejects this EMA in 4 hour. Okay, so otherwise I think next coming week might be red for USD CAD, or maybe for all USD pairs. So I personally believe that now week starting from Monday, dollar will be in red because it's time for pullback. Okay, so this was your uptrend. Pullback has to happen at some point, and maybe this week is the week or red week for the dollar to come. Okay, so I'll wait for one more red candle in USD CAD and we'll see how it goes. And if you want to go long, wait for the rejection from the EMA. That's it. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like. We discuss everything in the beginning. So join free Telegram, join the brokers through my link. If you don't, I will stop doing what I'm doing. Bye bye.